Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make two-way switch connection in 5 method. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Switch 1 and switch 2 bulb. Phase connection input to switch 1 L1 terminal. Phase connection between switch 1 and 2 L1 terminal. Neutral connection to switch 1 L2 terminal. Neutral connection between switch 1 and switch 2 L2 terminal. Output connection from switch 1 common terminal to bulb. Output connection from switch 2 common terminal to bulb another point. Now this circuit is ready for use. Press the switch, the light will on, and again press, the light will off. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.